Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott new front air strut for the Land Rover Range Rover Velar L560 with continuous variable damping and without performance suspension. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by raising the vehicle. Then, disable the air suspension and deflate the applicable spring following the manufacturer's instructions. Now, remove the applicable wheel and disconnect the electrical connector from the top of the strut. Also, remove the air fitting from the top of the strut. Then disconnect the sway bar link from the spindle. Disconnect the upper control arm from the spindle and remove the lower strut mount bolt. Remove the clevis bolt from the strut mount. Then, use an appropriate tool to gently spread the clevis. You are now able to separate the strut from the strut mount. Remove the 3 top nuts and take out the strut from the vehicle to complete the removal. Begin the air strut installation by removing the protective cap from the connector housing at the top of the new Arnott strut. Carefully install the new strut into the vehicle. Ensure all nuts and bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Loosely thread the top nuts on with the included washer to hold the strut in place. Then, seat the strut into the lower strut mount. Install the lower mount bolt, but do not fully tighten it at this point. Using an appropriate jack, lift the wheel hub into the normal ride height position. Now, install the clevis bolt and connect the upper control arm to the spindle. Also, connect the sway bar link to the spindle and tighten the lower strut mount bolt. Tighten the top mount nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the cullet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Install the airline into the air fitting. Now, install the electrical connector. To complete the installation, install the wheel and enable the air suspension. Then, inflate the strut according to the manufacturer's instructions. Thank you for following our guide on installing an Arnott air strut. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.